Nexo truly is a coin that explicitly is as of now exchanged at $0.833479 per unit, with the market capitalization of $466,748,048, that basically makes it a low-position digital money, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Computerized resources like Nexo really have currently for the most part turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for in every practical sense, huge institutional financial backers who fundamentally see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as an in every practical sense successful sort of fence against expansion that takes a by and large weighty cost for the worldwide economy, or so they truly thought. So, we should zero in on the Nexo market, its certainly current standings, as well as the mid-term and long-haul cost expectation that really depends on the readings of our genuinely exclusive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX. As of now, the cost of Nexo explicitly remains at $0.833479, and this fundamentally specific computerized resource for the most part stands firm on the 74th footing in the worldwide cryptographic money positioning, which by and large is genuinely huge. For actually your data, the positioning of each and every cryptographic money for the most part is vigorously dependent on its ongoing business sector capitalization and cost, and really is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to in an extremely enormous manner. Likewise, to essentially get a very better fundamentally handle of the market circumstance and certainly grasp the extremely broad heading of the pattern, or to essentially enlist its non-appearance, it's likewise critical to explicitly dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in an essentially significant manner. Yesterday, on December 18, the cost of Nexo in every practical sense remained at $0.822942 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 2.41% distinction when contrasted with the by and large current cost 7 days prior, on December 12. The Nexo market sort of remained at $0.833815 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in an essentially huge manner. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% comparable to its especially present standing. A month prior, on November 19, Nexo was estimated at $0.723357, which generally corresponded with our cost expectation for that really specific period, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Contrasted with the sort of present place of Nexo, it addresses a 15.22% cost move in an unpretentious manner. With regards to digital currencies, market capitalization serves certainly more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its extremely by and large fame with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous digital money merchants view market capitalization as a truly key marker to in a real sense be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices, or so they basically thought. It truly is determined by duplicating the all-out number of coins that generally are as of now available for use, flowing stockpile, by the extremely current cost of Nexo, which, as currently referenced, by in a real sense, remains at $0.833479, which for the most part shows that computerized resources like Nexo in a real sense have currently in every way that really matters become the point of convergence of consideration for actually retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for kind of huge institutional financial backers who truly see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as a certainly compelling for the most part fence against expansion that takes an all things considered weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which in a real sense is very critical. Considering that equation, we in a real sense have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Nexo to be at $466,748,048, which legitimizes its place as the 74th coin among those present on the digital currency market, versus the explicitly thought. Yesterday, on December 18, the market capitalization of Nexo in every practical sense remained at $460,847,800. Keep going week, on December 12. The truly aggregate sum of truly capital committed to Nexo was laid out at $466,936,215. The information from a month prior, enlisted on November 19, generally shows that Nexo explicitly had a market capitalization of $405,080,126 in a significant manner. As its name proposes, lovely greatest stock alludes to the roof measure of coins that will at any point really be mined or stamped inside the fundamentally relating blockchain network in a very significant manner. When that sum generally is gotten, the framework especially stops the age of new coins for fundamentally great incredibly. The fundamentally greatest stock by and large is normally explicitly demonstrated in the source code of the basic convention, as well as the white paper, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The commencement towards the especially greatest inventory as a rule in every way that really matters begins with the development of the first, beginning, block on the blockchain, which for the most part is genuinely critical. In our occasion, Nexo really has an all things considered greatest stock of 100,000,000 coins, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. This especially specific element of a really certain coin can basically be considered as a support against expansion on the grounds that the foreordained issuance rate joined with the stock roof frequently delivers the coin deflationary once the fundamentally most extreme stockpile basically is reached and makes a pre-modified shortage of a given resource, which makes the circumstances for a kind of more unsurprising and consistent cost appreciation, showing how contrasted with the genuinely present place of Nexo, it addresses a 15.22% cost move in a kind of significant manner. Complete stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that especially have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made, and for the most part are either flowing available or secured in designers or alternately holders' truly chilly wallets in a significant manner. The really complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that in every practical sense have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate in an exceptionally huge manner. It can measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that is public on the securities exchange, or so they really thought. The extremely complete inventory of Nexo presently certainly remains at 100,000,000 Nexo, showing how yesterday, on December 18, the cost of Nexo fundamentally remained at $0.822942 at the end of the essentially everyday exchanging meeting, which is a 2.41% distinction when contrasted with the really current cost 7 days prior, on December 12. The Nexo market remained at $0.833815 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. As currently made sense of, the circling supply especially is the most ordinarily involved genuinely metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, further appearance how the commencement towards the in every practical sense greatest stock typically truly begins with the development of the first, beginning, block on the blockchain in a truly significant manner. It compares with the kind of the best guess of the general number of coins that certainly are public on digital money trades and for the most part add to their liquidity. Their volume doesn't in a real sense incorporate the coins that sort of are vested, marked in beautiful shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or essentially put unavailable for general use in a sort of enormous manner. The flowing inventory for the most part is fundamentally what could be compared to the drifting inventory of offers in the financial exchange, which basically is very huge. At the present time,